All right, Codis. So we just went ahead and worked out the rest of them on the board. I have a small limited time to record these lectures, but let's go ahead and check these right here, okay? The 2, 1, and then you can't see it on the bottom, but 3, 4, okay? So what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and get this guy, the first number, and you're going to put it into your equation here. So in this case, let's see, 3 times -2 plus 5, right? What's 3 times -2? That's -6, plus 5 is -1. Now you grab this -1 and you compare it to this guy. Are they the same number? They should be, because if they are, then yes, this is indeed part of the solution, right? How about this guy, -3? Let's go ahead and grab that guy and put it into this x. So let's see, 3 times -3, that's -9, plus 5 is -4. Is that the same thing we have here? Yes, it is. So then that is part of the graph. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's say that you have a graph of the form y is equal to -3/4 x minus 1. And then you want to find out which of these points are not on there. So all you have to do is go ahead and plug in the x's. Notice that these first numbers, I put an x there, and compare it to the y, whatever you get. So first off, if x is equal to 0, that's super easy. Let's go ahead and plug it into here. Y is equal to -3/4 times your x. X is 0, so -3/4 times 0 minus 1. What's anything times 0? Well, that's 0, right? So that's 0 minus 1 is equal to -1. If you use your calculator instead of doing it by hand, you'll get the answers much quicker, right? Just be careful to use parentheses. But, you know, you get the answer. Now, we get the answer -1. Is that the same thing as this guy? And the answer is no. It's the same thing as this guy, though. So this guy is not on the graph, and this guy is. Okay, let's do a couple more then together. 16 and -13. So -3/4 times 16. Now, if you were like, I don't like fractions, that's all right. Just do it on your calculator. And you'll find out that 3/4 times 16 is going to give you 12. And because this is negative, it's going to be -12. Minus 1 is -13. Okay? Now, if you do like fractions, then you know that 16 divided by 4 is 4, times 3 is 12, minus 1, there you go. So then that one is, and you can go ahead and just reference the rest of the points, pause the video, and try them out.